Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the ZTXS series zero-turn mowers. We start with this builds on the Ultima series, the ZT123, and the Ultima S series. So the S stands for steering wheel. So what Cub has done is they've taken a true zero-turn, so it has two hydraulic pumps like a conventional lap bar machine, but incorporated into a steering wheel. It does a couple things for you. First off, for people that may not be comfortable with the lap bars, this drives like a conventional lawn tractor. And also, if you have an incline, a lap bar machine, because the front casters are swiveling, they'll tend to want to nosedive down those hills. So this actually turns the front wheels, so this will hold a hill better than a lap bar machine. But it does give you true zero turn. So when you turn the wheel all the way one direction, it's basically controlling the speed flow of each wheel. So you can have you will get a true zero turn like you will with the lap bar. So it takes a little getting used to because it doesn't feel like a zero turn, but it really does operate and give you the same performance as a conventional lap bar. So it's very comfortable to operate because it is just a steering wheel. So first off, you can move the steering column out of the way so it makes it easy to get on. And then you just flip the lever, and it is a tilt steering wheel, and it's shock mounted, so it's easy to set at the position that's comfortable. So it's very easy to change for different operators. And it would drive more like a conventional lawn tractor. So the foot pedal, the further you push, the faster you go, and reverse over here with the pedal. But there again, you get the zero turn effect in the steering wheel. Other than that, the controls are very similar to the lap bar. Nice control panel on the side for your starting, your PTO switch, your throttle, blade engagements. Everything is very easy to operate. The ZTXS series comes in a 4, 5, and 6. And basically, they're all in the same chassis, but you'll run larger hydraulic pumps, larger, heavier duty engines as you move up the lineup. So for larger properties, you may want to consider a 5 or a 6. If you just want a good heavy duty mower, the 4 gives you that same heavy duty frame, but not quite as heavy as components as you get in a 5 or a 6. So it really depends on the amount of property you have, the terrain, and we can help fit you in which series may be best for you. They're all available in different deck sizes, 48, 54, or 60-inch deck. So once you decide on the series you want, and then it's just a matter of finding the deck that's going to work best for you. So the ZTXS series, it's a great addition to the fantastic Ultima line. So if you're looking for something a little heavier duty from the standard ZTS, this is a great way to go. Excellent performance and maneuverability, and very easy to operate. So that's a little bit about the Ultima ZTXS. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.